Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chelsea and I'm low-key obsessed with RuPaul's Drag Race. And I'm ready for the new season to come out like yesterday. So today, I kind of want to do a drag inspired-esque look. So that's why my brows are really long and dramatic. And I'm going to do a dramatic eye. It's going to be a cut crease and overdrawn lips and you know the drill. We're gonna get straight into it, starting off with the eyes. Okay, for primer today, I'm using my e.l.f. Primer Stick in Neutral. For my transitions area, I'm going into the Box of Crayons palette, and I'm taking this red color, color red, dull, and I'm really gonna pack it on. So I'm doing like stamping motions to really get it on there. I'm going back and forth and I'm using stamping motions and I'm really packing that pigment on there. I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm blending out the edges a bit. Next, going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, I'm going to do a full-blown cut crease. I'm actually going to be cutting my crease using this flat brush right here. Tips for doing a cut crease. I like to stamp it in the middle of my eyelid, and then I like looking up since I have hooded eyes, and there I go. That's where I'm going to cut it, and that's where I'm going to use that as my guideline for my most highest point. And then I'm going to stamp it on. Next, I'm going in my Morphe 350 palette, and this color right here to set the lid. Brush I'm going to use is this one right here. For a little bit more deeperness, I'm going to take a pencil brush and this color from my Morphe little palette, and I'm going to deepen the crease a bit. I'm gonna keep it really close to the cut crease part, the cut part, so it can add a little definition right there. So when adding this deepness, I like to take as little product as possible because a little goes a long way. And I like taking my brush and right there at the edge where I add it, I flick it up. For liner, I'm going to use ColourPop's Liquid Lippy in Brooklyn. I'm going to use this angled brush and the ColourPop Liquid Lippy in Brooklyn as a liner. So I went off camera and I finished the liner. I ended up deciding to set the liner with this color, the same color I used to deepen the crease with. And now I'm about to add some lashes. For today's lashes, I'm using Kiss lashes, Kiss True Volume lashes in the style Posh. And I'm going to pop on these lashes, do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I went on ahead and did my other eye off camera, and I switched lashes. I switched to some lashes I got from the beauty supply store. Where's the pack? I don't have the pack in front of me, but yeah. So now it's time to move on to le face. Alright. For primer today, I'm using my e.l.f. primer. It feels so weird doing my foundation after eyes and brows. I don't know. It feels so foreign to me. Like, I'm one of those people where I need to see my base, like the base, the base, or like semi-completed product, the semi-completed product before I can keep going. So it's hard for me to do my eyes, which I struggle with. I struggled with it today. It's hard for me to do my eyes or do my brows when my base isn't down. Cause I don't know, I just can't. Okay, color correcting, LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange. You already know. For some full coverage foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline 24 Hour Foundation in Warm Coconut. I have honestly really grown to love this foundation. I feel like it's a good, even though I think it is a tad, I still think it's a tad bit too dark. I still feel like it's a pretty good foundation. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Next I'm gonna highlight with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. To set my highlight, after I get done blending out, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Loose Fit Me Powder in Medium Deep, and then set the rest of my face with my Airspun powder. For contour and bronzing, I'm using my duo, the Infallible Pro Matte Powder in Cocoa and the Sheen Mineralized Bronzer. Since this is a drag inspired look, I'm going to make my contour as sharp as possible. We're all for the dramatics today. Dramatic brows, dramatic eyes, dramatic lashes, dramatic cheeks, dramatic nose contour, all of that. Don't give me no love, bitch, stay in your place. I counted the money, put it in the safe. Okay, to make the cheeks really sharp, I'm going in with my Fit Me Loose powder to cut the contour. Hey, I can't keep a bitch that fuck up my profits. Oh bitch. This is the shit I'm talking. This is what I'm talking about. My base is almost done, and I'm already living my fantasy. Like, I'm really fucking living right now. Really. I'm going to let this sit a bit while I do my nose contour and my blush. Okay, yeah. For my blush, I'm actually going to use this color in the e.l.f. blush palette in the color dark. So this color right here. But before I add blush, I'm going to contour my nose. Now I can brush off the little bakage I got. To set my brows, I'm using my clear brow gel by Anastasia. Before I add highlight and my beauty marks and lipstick, I'm going to set my face. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. setting spray. For highlighter today, I'm going in with my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the color Sugar Daddy. Ooh, and it's not just sitting on my face. Like when I look at it from the front, this highlighter is not just sitting on my skin. But when you turn to the side, it's like, ooh, bitch, I'm here. Hi, welcome to me. I normally always add a beauty mark up under here because I have one naturally, but I think I'm gonna add some extras just for today. Okay, now it's time for lips. To overline my lips, oh gosh, I'm using this ColourPop liner. I forgot the name of this liner. Oh god, I've had it for a really long time. I'm gonna overline my lips with this, creating my lip shape, my new lip shape. I need drugs in my system, rubbers ain't enough. That's a top lip. To fill in these lips, I'm going to use the same color I use as my liner, as the base for my liner, so Brooklyn. Okay, I am done. I will be right back. I'll do my hair. I don't have an outfit for this look, so I'll be right back. I'm just going to do my hair. That's it. So BRB. Okay, I am back. I just changed my shirt, added some earrings, did my little natural hair puff, and here we are. How are we feeling about this? I like how this turned out for my first drag attempt. At least first drag attempt on camera. I did attempt to do a drag look last week, and I was going to film it, but I hated the way it turned out. Like, I blocked my brows and everything, and it just didn't turn out right. So I'm like, you know what? This time around, when I do, I'm just going to use my real brows and just be really dramatic with the eyes and lips and nose contour. And I think I look good. I can honestly say I do not recognize myself with these lips. I had these lips a day in my life. And these cheeks, I ain't had these cheeks either. They real cut, like Trixie Mattel cut. Yes. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next time. Deuces.